Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about what is master and slave node. Okay, let's see the overview. You will get more idea. Okay, master node is nothing but wherever you install the Jenkins in that particular server, that is called as master node. Example, here you have a Jenkins, right? You have installed Jenkins in this particular server, right? This is called as master node. Okay. For example, you have a thousands of jobs in real time. Currently, we have a 4 or 5, but when it comes to the real time, we have a thousands of jobs or hundreds of jobs. All the jobs is running same master node. What will happen? It may break your Jenkins. Okay, it may stop, right? Instead of that running all the jobs in master node, we can run in slave nodes also. So we have a slave nodes. We can set up either Linux slave node or Windows slave node. What is the main advantage of setting up slave node? We can set up the slave node and we can run the specific jobs in the particular slave node only. For example, you have two applications, two jobs. Okay, one job related to Linux, we can run the particular job in Linux slave node. In case if it is related to Windows, we can run the particular job in Windows node. Okay, what is the main advantage here? It will be reduce the burden in the particular master node, right? Every job is running in master node. It will be increase your load and it will be break your Jenkins. So instead of that one, we can create a multiple slave nodes and we can run all the jobs in the particular slave nodes. Then the particular Jenkins the burden will be reduced and it won't be any issue. You won't get any issues. Okay, that is the main uses of slave nodes. Okay, we can set up both Linux and Windows slave nodes and we can run the jobs as well in this particular slave nodes later part. Okay, I hope understand that. Any question? This is a very important interview level also. What is the difference between master and slave node? You have to say like master node is nothing but wherever you install the Jenkins, the server call it as master node. Okay. Example, you have a multiple projects. If you run same all the jobs in single you can run the master node. What will happen? It will increase the load. It may break your Jenkins. Okay. Instead of that one, you can create the multiple slave nodes. We can run the specific jobs in the particular slave nodes. So if you run the particular jobs in slave nodes, what will happen? It will reduce the burden that particular master. Okay, it won't be any issues in future. Okay, got it right? I hope you understand that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.